Hello everyone, Alex Bell here again. Today is July 1st, 2026, and we're answering a question that many new streamers ask. What does it actually mean to buy Twitch followers? For some creators, it's about making their channel appear more established. For others, it's about creating a stronger first impression or understanding how follower services work. In this 2026 guide, we'll explore 3 key reasons why some streamers and creators consider buying Twitch followers: social proof, creating a stronger first impression, and building confidence during the early stages of growth. We'll also discuss what these factors can and can't do for your channel. To help you understand how these services work, I'll use the 100% safe website with 24/7 human support, FollowersPanda as an example, and walk through the process step by step. Welcome to this tutorial. As you can see right here on the screen, this Twitch account currently does not have any followers. We are going to change that today and walk through the entire process step by step so you can see exactly how it works in real time, taking you from 0 followers to a much higher count in just a few minutes. First, we will head over to Google and type FollowersPanda into the search bar. Go ahead and click on the very first link that appears in the search results to open up their website. Once you are on the homepage, click on the Buy Twitch Followers button. As you scroll through the page, you will notice they offer a wide variety of packages, scaling all the way up to 10,000 followers depending on exactly what you need for your channel. Taking a look at their exclusive features, FollowersPanda has been in the market since 2019. They offer instant delivery, typically processing everything within 60 seconds. They also provide 100% real followers, meaning the accounts have actual names and profile photos rather than looking like standard bot accounts. Plus, you get access to their 24/7 support team if you ever need assistance along the way. In this tutorial, we will select the 100 followers package. Click on Buy, and then simply copy the username of the Twitch account you want to grow. Paste that username right into the designated box. Next, paste your email address, make sure to agree to the terms and conditions, and click Proceed to Checkout. Now it is time to verify your account. Open your email inbox and look for an OTP sent by FollowersPanda. Copy that code, paste it back into the website, create a secure password for your account, and click Proceed to Checkout once more. You will then see 3 payment options available: credit card via Stripe, PayPal, and crypto. For this demonstration, I have already added $100 to my wallet balance. I will just refresh the page to show that the funds are available. Now, simply click on Pay with Wallet to finalize the transaction. Your order is now successful. If you click on View Order, you will see it is marked as pending, but it processes in less than a minute. Let's check back on the Twitch account to see the results. After a quick refresh, the follower count has already jumped to 148. Let's refresh it one more time, and as you can see, the account now has 250 followers. FollowersPanda completely works for buying active and real Twitch followers quickly. Thanks for watching, and that's our guide to understanding what it means to buy Twitch followers. I hope this video helped clear up some of the confusion and gave you a better understanding of how creators think about visibility and channel growth. If you enjoy content about Twitch growth, streaming tips, creator tools, and platform guides, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Keep creating, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.